Are you looking to fix your credit or help others fix their credit? In this series, I'm going over 26 different credit repair secrets that you need to know if you plan to fix your credit or help others fix their credit. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure that you have subscribed to the channel, and if you want the full guide that I am showing you inside of this series, comment the word guide and I will send you exclusive access. Now, before further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to give you a quick peep as to what we are going to be covering in this series, whether you have late payments, collections. We're going to be covering the medical debts. I know it might not be, hey, what you want to hear, but you know what I tell you. I'm here to give you the information that you need to know, not what you want to hear. I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to tell you what's working, what's not working, what you can do if you have errors or identity theft or simply just old accounts that you're trying to get cleaned up. Either way, credit repair is a process and you need to know all of these different steps. Believe me when I tell you, I have been there myself. I started off with a 484 credit score. I paid multiple companies to try to help me, and at the end of the day, I got to learn this stuff because nobody can do it for you. And even coming from somebody that helps people with their credit, I tell you like this, my friends, it is way better for you to work on your own credit than to pay somebody else to do it for you. You can get inside of like a community like mine, the credit community, where we keep you motivated. We get on live calls, we answer your questions, I give you direction, and then you are the one that takes the action. I can help you, I can guide you, I can even help you draft some letters that might be good for you and some different things that are going to be helpful in your situation. But at the end of the day, you have to be responsible for it, because if not, you're going to end up in this evil cycle time after time after time, trying to find the next best hack, the next best person that can clean your credit. And believe me when I tell you that these people are not doing anything legitimate when they do these credit sweeps to your credit profile. All that they're doing is claiming identity theft on everything, or maybe even worse. And again, that can come back and bite you in the behind. So a lot of these accounts, once they're verified, they're just going to return right back to your credit. So it's better to take care of them the right way. It's better to take care of them so you have long-term success and you don't have to worry about anything coming back in the future. Make sure to watch all 26 of these videos inside of this series. Get the guide, join the community, and I'll see you on the next video.